Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this kit right here. It's a really useful kit if you want everything all in one. This is it. I've used it before. They're really great. And yes, this does stand outside just well. I've had one from before, and during winter I use it. Summer I actually don't use it. I ended up using this more during winter, and then maybe for Halloween to plug some stuff in outside. Anyways, let's just take it out, take a look at what's inside this guy. And this is gonna be a really quick unboxing because there isn't that much stuff in here, but it's good to note everything that's right here. So everything that's in the picture, that's what you're gonna get. So let's just take this guy out. So if we take this guy apart, we're gonna see everything that comes in here. Let me just open this guy up. Here we go. So we do have some instructions. It's very easy to set up though. So it's good to have instructions, but you don't really need them. They're all right here. You will need this. Here's this guy. So this is exactly the type of outlet that you would need for outdoor use. So you do have the reset button right here for each one. So we're going to set that apart. I keep looking what's inside here. These guys, this right here, this is actually very important. That's to seal things up. We've got some screws. Got a few more screws right here, and that's it. That's all that's inside here. And yes, this is metal. It's not plastic. So I can tell you why I like this type of casing. So this will go over, right? And your cable will go under here. Once you plug something in during the winter, if it's raining or something like that, obviously this will be set up in here. Once you plug it in, the cables have access to come out of here. So you could hook two things up. And you do have a limited space here, so it can't be something too thick or too wide. So you can't go up way too much or be too wide, because then this wouldn't close. But from what I've seen, it's good so far from what I've seen with extensions. And you guys can close it. And again, the extension will come out of here, which is ideal. So I'm gonna open up these guys so you guys can see exactly what screws and everything that's inside here. So you do get this sealant, which you need for sure. You need these guys. These guys will go on the top and bottom. Well, not top and bottom, depends where your cable's coming from. If your cable's coming from down here, then you would always put it on the top. And again, it depends on your connection. Maybe you guys want your cable to run through, so that way you guys wouldn't use these. But it depends on your circumstances and how you're setting this up. So you will need this. You also get these screws on the other back. Just want to give you a close-up of them. So that's it for this kit. Again, the setup's really easy. You will use this for sure, okay? But just to give you a really quick idea of what and how this will go, this basically goes on top, okay? And that's your connection. So cables go through here. This will be attached, obviously, and that's it. It's really basic. And it's not just like that. You will need to put this, obviously, to seal this up between these two boxes. So this is kind of the sealant, and you would use this as the kind of the glue around this. Anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.